Welcome to Activity 20. In this activity, we will be developing fluency using the strategy of near double addition to add one more than the double bonds of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each block, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you will also need 1 of each block from 6 to 10. The blocks are there if you need to check a calculation. You will also need 20 counters to place on the scoring table. Begin by placing your clear plastic spinner on the game board. Player 1 goes first. They say the addition with the answer. 5 add 6 equals 11. And they place their counter on a cell that's worth 11. This is worth 11. This is also worth 11 because 5 and 5 is 10 and 1 more is 11. I'm going to put it on this 11. Player 2 spins and they spin 3 add 4 equals 7. Player 1 would have another turn. They spin 4 add 5 equals 9. And again you can place it on whichever 9 you like. Play continues for 3 minutes. The player who has covered the most number of cells or placed the most counters is the winner. I want to explain what to do if you're not sure of the answer to the addition. For example, 4 add 5. You would pick up a part of 4 and a part of 5. And remember, it's part add part equals whole. And the parts are placed on this section of the frame. Just picking up the parts might be enough to jog your memory that you know 4 and 4 is 8. So this is going to be 1 more, which is 9. If it doesn't, you can check by placing the 9, which is worth the whole, on the top row. I also want to explain why 4 add 1 is also equal to 9. 4 add 4 add 1. 4 add 4 add 1. 4 add 4 add 1 is also equal to 9. This 4 and 1 are equal to the part of 5. This now is a 3-part bond of 9. The whole of 9 has been partitioned into 1, 2, 3 parts. Now it's your turn.